Landing pages are great tools to help build your email list. Here's a few tips that you can implement right now to start growing that email list using landing pages. When building your landing page, there are a lot of different page templates to choose from, and there's lots of different setups. But all of these landing pages have something similar in common. There's just a few basics you want to keep in mind when creating a landing page. Some of these basics include that the headline should state the benefit of joining your list. Make sure people clearly understand why they should sign up and what they're going to get out of it. The copy and the images that accompany your headline on your landing page should augment that argument. Basically, use everything you can to convince people to sign up to your list. And a great way to start building your list is to share your landing page on social media. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Grab the link and share it. I'll show you a little bit into this video how to do exactly that. So for example, on this landing page, we've got our headline here, which clearly states the benefits of signing up to our list and what you're going to receive. The imagery and text down here further augments that argument of why you should sign up, and there's a clear call to action to send me my newsletter in the button on the sign up form. Another idea you might want to consider is to create a quiz for your sign up form. So here, let's add a row right above our form, and we'll add some text letting people know they're going to be taking a quiz. We'll write, take the quiz and find out your results. So we'll highlight that, make the letters a little bit larger, and we'll bold them out too. I think that's nice. And we'll finish it up by centering this text. Next, we'll click on the form itself. We'll go over to the right, and first we'll change the layout so these fields are stacked one on top of the other, because we're going to have a few of these, and side by side it wouldn't look good. So we're going to click Custom Fields over here on the right, and create some custom fields that are basically just going to be quiz questions. So we'll do a few of these. We'll do, what is the best time to water a garden? We'll add that. Write in, how often should you change soil? And we'll do one more question. What plant grows all year long? So we'll add that and then save those fields. People love taking quizzes, and this is a great way to prompt people to fill out your sign-up form. Back on our landing page from the drop-down menu, we just need to add those custom fields we just created. We'll finish it up by changing the copy on the button to say, show me the answers. From here, when somebody signs up, we can send an email that contains their answers. Another idea is to offer a free download. So we'll add some text again to our sign-up form here. And this one will be, sign up and get my free PDF, Cooking with Celebrities. There we go. And again, we'll just change things around here, bold that out and make the font a little bit larger. And we'll center it. Now in this case, again, we'll click on the form. And then over here on the right, we'll click Submission. And we're going to add a tag to this form. Tag's just going to be free PDF. What this is going to do is allow us to connect an automated email campaign that we'll create right here, so when people sign up to that form, they get delivered this automated email. So we'll click Create a Campaign. I'm just going to click Create a Blank Campaign. Call it Free PDF. And here we're going to choose the trigger to be Tag Applied. So now again, anybody who signs up, we're using this tag, Free PDF, is going to get the email in this series. It's just going to be a single email with that download. So we'll go ahead and create our message after dragging the send message card in. And of course, we'll want to fill this out with our own content, but to add the download, all we need to do is click down here in the lower left-hand corner, grab our download from our desktop, and it's all set to go. Now somebody signs up to that form, gets this email, and it's got the download for the free PDF. Now, once we have our landing page built, we're going to want to share this. So we've got our page set up here. We'll click Save and Exit, and then we'll click Publish. We can either copy the URL to our clipboard, or in this case, to share it via social, we'll put it on our Facebook page by just choosing Facebook. We'll type in a quick excerpt for the post, sign up for my newsletter here. We'll click Post to Facebook. And now our landing page with a link right to it is available here for people to sign up via our Facebook page. It's a great way to expand your reach and grow your audience. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out on any of our new email or small business marketing content. Leave a comment if you have any questions. And if you're not a customer yet, click here. It's absolutely free to start building your business with Aweber. Check out some of the other videos in our channel and let us help you reach your audience and grow your business.